front of the Corps of Engineers on the 9th of May after a press conference that the Casa Pueblo has given to alert a situation that we have concerning all the project of the gas pipeline that is being planned to run from the south to the north coast of Puerto Rico and supply natural gas for the Puerto Rico Electric Authority. And with us we have the attorney Pedro Saade from the Environmental Law Division of the University of Puerto Rico Law School, who is going to explain the seriousness of what has happened today here at the conference.
As you know, the application for the approval of this pipeline is before the Corps of Engineers, and to this point, for several months, this application has been under evaluation by technicians and others in the San Juan office. And surprisingly, we have learned that all the file and all authority in relation to that evaluation has been removed centrally to the Jacksonville office, to the exclusion apparently of all functions and work by local technicians. That is significant because when one considers other developments, the result is not very good for a complete compliance with the law and the regulations. First of all, Colonel Pantano visited Puerto Rico recently and made statements that this case was to be decided in several months. And that is quite impossible because the environmental evaluation has not been completed yet. The Colonel Pantano has neither responded to very many petitions for public hearings, which have been filed ever since November and December of last year. He has not responded to petitions for meetings with affected persons. The environmental evaluations are ongoing, as we understand it, before the Fish and Wildlife and other federal agencies. So to state that this will be decided in the next several months means that the Corps of Engineers, to what degree it has prejudged the case. He also made very unfortunate statement saying that the effect on endangered species is only temporary, and there is no scientific grounds for that assertion. So taken together, all these developments, including that the consultant firm employed by the Autoridad Energía Eléctrica is a consultant firm composed mainly of former military or person in charge of the Jacksonville office. So taken together is a very worrisome situation in which this might lead to a serious violation of the law and the granting of the permit.
Is that consulting firm also in charge of lobbying for the project, or is it?
It is in charge of general lobbying and general handling of the permit application.
In what way, moving this office to Jacksonville and all the jurisdiction involved, would this damage or impede the right of the citizens to have any kind of play in the issues that are here, or, for example, giving any kind of complaint?
Well, I think access is severely limited now because very few people know of or know how to contact Jacksonville office. The way to remedy this would be to grant the public hearings, but as I said, that has not been responded to, and specifically the federal regulations require for the district engineer to respond in writing whether the public hearings will be granted or not, and that has been violated because we have no response to that petition for hearings.
Is this highly irregular as far as you know from the way things are done usually?
It is unheard of that the San Juan office has been removed in the way it has been removed.
And what about in other places in the United States? Is this something that doesn't happen?
I don't know about other places in the States. how will that turn out to be. I do know that in relation to the San Juan and Jacksonville office, it appears that this is very highly rare.
And apart from the environmental issues and the environmental rights that people have to live in a clean community and not have all this expenses going to be taken on with this project, are there civil rights involved that are probably violated when the citizenship cannot do anything about their future concerning this project?
Well, I would center more in the issue of impact on their health, because this pipeline will run near the properties and near the houses of many persons, and once this is constructed and once this is approved, then we might be facing violations of civil rights. But right now the emphasis is on requesting public hearings and compliance with environmental law.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.